There's a little joke in the industry: chickens don't stop laying eggs. So we can't turn off that raw production. So having our equipment running at maximum efficiency year round is super important to the operation. Health and safety is key to Burnbrae's overall operation. Second is making sure that we hit all our KPI targets, our OEE targets, and making sure that production's running smooth and that the operation's running the way we need it to.
To keep the plant running with minimal downtime, it takes lots of time and effort of working on the machines, keeping the PM programs up, making sure everyone's following the proper protocols that we have in place as a company.
So in choosing SANOVO as a partner, it was basically their leadership in the industry. Anything from parts to service to innovation. They've always been a long-term key partner with Burnbrae. That's part of the reason why we've chose SANOVO. SANOVO understands our business from the standpoint of what we're trying to do, changes that we're trying to make, whether that be innovation, automation, or just grading eggs. They're coming to the table with different options for us that allow us to get creative with egg grading.
I do remember a time when I needed SANOVO's help in a high pressure situation is when the robot actually jammed on a skid. It was a lot of pressure. It was late at night, and yeah, I just decided to call a SANOVO service, and I got a tech on the phone right away, and he helped me through the problem.
The SANOVO customer care team supports our long-term maintenance goals by being there to provide us the support we need when we need it. Also giving us the opportunities to have maintenance contracts and all the tools we need to continue day-to-day basis jobs.
The service agreement that we have in place allows us to focus on our people more, not having to worry about machine uptime as much, and being able to focus on cross-functionally, whatever that might be, our people, employee engagement, whatever aspects of the business that we want to focus on. It's helped create a lot of stability in our daily planning. The equipment that we have, we know it works. So we don't come to work every day worrying that things are going to break down. We know that it's going to run. We also know that we have a good part supply, and we have a good network at SANOVO to call and get help in case something does break down. So lots of confidence. We don't worry about things like that.
The SANOVO contract helps with planning because it gives us time to buy parts, budget for parts during the period or course of months that go on with the contract visits. So then we can better buy or purchase our parts in a timely manner.
I feel that SANOVO is part of my extended maintenance team because I need, like if I ever need something or a fix, they're there to help me. So it's beneficial that to have that as an option.
The confidence the SANOVO contract gives me and my team is peace of mind. We have the ability to ask questions whenever we need if they're on site and or if we're having issues in different areas.
The partnership with SANOVO, it means a lot to Burnbrae. Again, it's a long-standing partnership that we want to see prosper in the future. Good folks on both sides, on both teams, and it's something that we want to just keep working with them on all their new equipment that's coming out, innovation, anything new to the industry. They tend to bring it forward and keep us apprised on what's going on. So it's just a good bunch of people to work with.
What I could tell another company looking into a SANOVO contract agreement is don't be afraid to ask for help. Always take it if it's given.
I feel that SANOVO is very reliable, and their service is rock solid.